So the next thing I want to talk about is my reward system called pitch points. This is something you could absolutely set up later because you can go in and you can kind of retroactively give points if you want. I have it set up to do about a 5% return. And here I just set up a custom tab in which I just have repeated on all my projects that just talks about the pitch points. I've had a few customers come back and check out using their pitch points, which is pretty cool. You will want to make sure that you update your terms to put some point award system wording in there. I can do that for you if you would like. I use a reward system currently called Sumo Reward Points. There's a couple others available, which I'll give you the option to. I like this one because for me, it works just fine. The back end is fairly easy to use, and it's not a reoccurring subscription. It's just a one-time fee. There is an official WooCommerce plugin, and all that means is that it's just developed by WooCommerce. It doesn't mean other ones don't work as well. It just means this is the official plugin. However, it's $129 a year. I personally wasn't ready to pay for that. If you prefer the official WooCommerce one, that is absolutely fine. You just need to let me know.